What is this? Why that's so green? There's something about Indian, and today me and Mercedes is about to try two very unique dishes. What is that? Lamb masala and green chili chicken, paired with some steamed veg and some garlic naan, and a mystery drink I've never seen before. Let's get into this dish. Oh, this is garlic naan. Before I get into what that truly is, me and Mercedes did a dead for hunger. She chose to eat the lamb masala first. By the looks of things, it seemed like she was enjoying it. But while she feed her face, let me break down what naan is. Naan is a flatbread that comes in different flavors, from garlic to butter to cheese. I'm about to have it with lamb masala. Lamb masala is filled with a lot of spice. It seemed like I could taste the curry or the turmeric. I could be wrong. This was the first time me eating lamb, and the lamb tastes just like goat. Don't know why I was expecting something different. Masala nice, but me never liked the lamb. Now it was time for the green chili chicken. If there's one thing you have to